YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Kelly Chan, and I'm back with another video. Got my boy RC Big Ray behind the camera, and we back at it again.
Sure is.
So I already know this a fast booger right here, baby. Ooh-wee.
Sure is.
Yeah, got some big things coming for this.
Big things.
Yes, sir.
Big things.
But you know, she got to pay homage, because you know, we got a surprise for y'all today.
Big things.
Got a surprise, you know, that big thing. He got his big brother in here.
Big brother?
Yeah.
What you mean, big brother?
Y'all about to see this.
What are you talking about, big brother?
Yes,
he
sir.
Said big
Look at this.
brother.
Look at that colorway, y'all. That's just hard. This the hardest bandit body I've seen. Sure I can't even lie.
Sure is.
That blue and green just coincide with each other.
Sure do.
Wee, baby.
Yes.
Is y'all ready for this YouTube?
I don't think they're ready, though.
I don't know if y'all ready for this.
I don't think they're ready.
I don't know if y'all ready for this.
Uh-oh.
Bigfoot, baby.
Uh-oh. You got a big brother? Do you have a big brother? Where the big brother at? Where the big brother? Oh, holy smokes. There go big brother. Ooh-wee, baby.
1 second, let me get a knife for this.
Ooh-wee. There go, look. That little brother and that big brother. Big dog.
Got Big Bruno right here.
Yeah. That little Pee-wee right there, that little Pee-wee. We gonna do something with little Pee-wee. But then I had to go get big brother. Big brother. Y'all don't understand.
Right, y'all gotta be patient with me now.
Y'all don't understand.
Where to cut it out at.
Y'all don't understand how we doing it, baby.
Let me see.
Don't
Real B.I.G.
Y'all don't understand. It started off with 4 of us. Now it's just 2 of us.
Last of the Mohicans.
What happened to the rest of them, Cal?
Oh, they bailed on us, man. I think we fired them. That's what happened.
They got fired.
Yeah, they got fired.
You open that upside down. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm about to put I'm thinking about going with a Steve New or a Dodo.
We hiring too. If anybody want to come join the team.
Join the team. Oh,
take
wait.
applications.
Oh.
Big dog.
Oh, wait. Look at them 2 babies. 2 pretty motherfuckers.
We're like a rocket ship.
Oh, 2 pretty. Oh, wait. Yes, sir. Oh, wait.
All right. Flip it over for a second.
Yes, sir. You probably need some scissors.
Yeah, that'd be better. 1 second, YouTube.
Get that Tracy's Bandit, baby. See that Tracy's Bandit? Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. About to get my car game all the way up.
And those of you that's been following us through converting my Limitless over to an infraction. It's gonna be a Limitless GT. So stay tuned for that as well. And then I'll be getting another Limitless to compete with this guy here.
Uh-oh. Ain't no competing no more, baby. No competing no more. It's a da-da-da-da-dun-da-da. It's a da-da-da-da-dun. I'm going to keep this here all light. I'm not adding no aluminum, nothing. All carbon fiber, everything. But you guys with them 10 scales, I'm going to whoop y'all with this, though. 'Cause this is a 10 scale. But when we jump in this class, oh my, I might get a ticket for this. Oh, man.
I think I got the heaviest Limitless out there.
She looking good, baby. First thing I'm gonna do is throw on some foam tires. Excuse me.
They made sure they secured this boy. There we go.
Oh yeah, big brother and little brother.
Them home gotta come off of there though.
Yeah, them homes gotta go. We don't ride home.
We ride big foam tires, baby. Ooh-wee, baby. Like them big meaty John BSRs, baby. Yes, sir. Take the top off here. It ain't nothing but a roller yet right now.
Ain't nothing but a roller. Butt naked. I'm gonna hit the hobby store tomorrow. Spend a couple dollars.
Yes, sir.
Oh wait, look at that fresh smell. Smell it. I smell it. Fresh car smell. Oh wait.
Ain't nothing like a new car smell, baby.
New car.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you got your tools in here.
They ain't ready.
Sir.
They not ready. Show not.
That big boy right here, it ain't nothing like the track system.
They got them big boy wrenches.
Sir. If you're new to the channel, need you to hit that bell, turn on post notifications, need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we out. Peace.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, big boy. Before I go, a lot of guys was racing this summer, and a lot of guys couldn't spend that money, but y'all want to buy a car? Get at your boy RC Ray. We got a whole hobby store, baby. What's the deal? Peace out.